Ahmedabad and Pune are up next on our radar, and we have Parag Trivedi on the line with us. Parag, thanks for joining us. What's your question?
Madam, I am looking for a property within a budget of 25 to 27 lakhs in Ahmedabad near Gota Chowkadi.
All right. So Ahmedabad, 25 lakhs. Does that come in the mid-affordable segment?
Any property in 25 lakhs comes in the affordable segment. In some of the almost all of the tier 1 cities, in some tier 2 cities as well. What we are recommending, Parag, is to look at areas in and around close to SG Highway. SG Highway is a key commercial growth corridor in Ahmedabad, and it's a key destination that links Sananand, Gandhinagar, Sarkej, very livable with good infrastructure. Commercial demand on SG Highway from local business activities has really helped this area rebound, and there is further price appreciation that could be expected over here. So what we are doing is recommending projects in and around there. Saraspur is also an area which is close to the central business district and a well lived in locality. And the third area is Vejalpur, which is near the SG Highway, and we come to the project over there in a while. In general, 1 BHK apartments, that was the other question that you had, actually makes sense only when you're near commercial establishments to generate good rental returns, or if the area is very strategically located. Otherwise, we would recommend you to go for 2 to 3 bedroom apartments as investment bets as such. Coming to the key data points of these areas, there are about 9 odd projects with this budget of 25 odd lakhs, not much supply, 1747 units. 10 months is the inventory overhang. This is the mid to affordable segment. 3087 rupees a square feet is the weighted average price of the market. The areas that we are recommending, which is Vejalpur, SG Highway and Saraspur, have appreciated 37% over the last 2.5 years, of 14.7% on a compounded annualized basis, which is a very good return from an Ahmedabad perspective. Recommendations from our side: Swarit by Bakeri Engineering, Vejalpur, 2950 rupees a square feet. 2013 is the completion year and available from the developer. This is a part of a complex which has already got 5,000 units, and some projects in that, Samanara apartments for example, have been delivered and families are living in there. So that's the good part. The other project recommendation from our side is Tavan Parichai by Sambhav Infrastructure. This is SG Highway near Gota Circle. This is 3,110 rupees a square feet. 2014 is the completion year, and this is available from the developer as well. This has got a very good location, bang on the SG Highway. From investment point of view, the project is in early stages and you could leverage of its good location, and an operational Nirma University branch is near proximity to this project as well. Lastly, we have Centrum by Indiabulls Real Estate. This is in Saraspur, 2800 rupees a square feet. 2014 is the completion year, and this is also available from the developer. This project is 3 kilometers from the Ahmedabad railway station and the main interstate bus station. This project is also very strategically located.
All right, so Parag, for you, Vejalpur, SG Highway and Saraspur are the 3 locations in Ahmedabad that fit your budget. These locations are also giving decent returns. So there's Swarit by Bakeri Engineering, there's Tavan Parichai by Sambhav Infrastructure, and Centrum by Indiabulls Real Estate. The email query now from Rajendra. He writes that he wants our opinion on 2 projects that he has selected on the Alwar Bypass Road in Bhiwadi, one Omax Green Meadow City, Europea, and the other Regal Court by Avalon. He wants to know which of the 2 should he go for. His budget is 25 lakhs. So Bhiwadi is mainly being driven by the fact that the DMIC is going to come up, it's going to fall in the DMIC's influence zone. How is that market now progressing?
See, Bhiwadi is basically an industrial township. It's got about 2,500 industrial units working over there, prominent amongst them being Hero Honda, Pepsi, Saint-Gobain, and many other big multinationals are there as well. There are about 20,893 units coming up there, which I think is a large amount of supply for an area like Bhiwadi. So I think the pace of appreciation is going to be a bit slow because of this kind of supply coming up. Having said that, the base of Bhiwadi is very low. So you may see a percentage increase which may be higher, but the real appreciation may be much lower. That's the point that I want to make. As far as the recommendations that you made, Regal Court is a new launch by Avalon Group. Prices have been revised in November, and now a 2 BHK will cost you about 27 to 28 lakhs. Regal Court is a new launch very close to the Honda plant, so it should do reasonably well. Euphoria Omax Green is also a new launch within the Omax city, an integrated township as such. However, Bhiwadi, like I was mentioning, is going to see a little bit of slow pace with the kind of supply that's coming up. I'll come to the key data points of this area. 35 projects 11,000 odd unit supply, 325 in Alwar Bypass Road alone. 8 months is the inventory overhang. Like I was saying, the affordable mid segment, very low weighted average price, base is low, 2393 rupees a square feet. And that's why if you look at the price appreciation trends, it's been quite good. It's been about 41 odd percent. The price appreciation trends of this area have been about 31% for Alwar Bypass Road, or 12% on a compounded annualized basis. The Avalon Residency 2 is a project that you can go ahead with. This is on Alwar Bypass Road, 2500 rupees a square feet. 2014 is the completion year, and this is available from the resale market. And if you were to look at any other projects, I would say you stick to this project and go ahead with it.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.